Hello, professor and class. So this may not be a huge tip or trick to some of you, or it actually could help you. But I know for myself in the week one Adobe workbook, there were some tools that I could not find. They were asking us to use. So I was looking all around for it and I didn't know where to look. And I just happened to stumble upon this. I'm super new to Animate. So I saw this edit tools bar here and I saw that one of the things they were asking us to use was the paintbrush tool. So I found it here, and you can drag it onto your bar so you know where it is, and that way you can uh, use it. So um, yeah, so that's a little tip and trick, and it can be used for the opposite way as well. If you're not going to use something, you could just drag it in and clean up your toolbar a little bit. I hope this helps you. If you couldn't find some of your tools and vice versa. But anyhow, um, have a great rest of your day and good luck with the class.